Good morning, everyone.
We are back on the road again today. We are headed back down to Rotorua.
Again.
So this video is going to be all about the geocaches that we find on the day. If you want to go and watch the GC45 unveiling video, make sure to go click the link up above or down
there.
So yeah, let's go. We have a 2.5 hour drive in total ahead of us.
Alright, we're almost in Rotorua.
Yes, we're about 10 k's out.
We are first gonna do something we have never done before.
A letterbox cache.
I don't even know how that works.
Me neither, but we'll find out. And we're gonna be pretty quick though, because we're in a safe spot park here, but it looks a little bit dodgy. I reckon it's up by that.
It said not through the flags. Next minute. Go, lady, go. Ow, ow, ow.
Ow!
20 meters.
Bumblebee. Oh.
No need for bush bashing.
No need for bush bashing, they said. Next minute.
17 meters. Did you lock the car? It smells like a geocache here. Could be this. No? Ah, maybe it's right here on this corner. I think I found it. Yep, found it.
Yay!
Yay! It's a big bottle. It's a big bottle, lady.
Yes!
Nice, lady. Swifty! Swifty! Fair enough.
Fair enough. Trackable.
Haha! Trackable! Yay! Nice, lady.
There's some little swag.
Swag. This trackable is Dutch. Deze trackable is geactiveerd ter gelegenheid van mijn 1000ste found. Hieronder staat mijn log van mijn 1000ste vondst. This one is honoring 1000 finds.
And with that, we earned our first memory lane souvenir. So now it is 10:30, so we're probably gonna have to head straight to the event.
Yeah.
And we'll do some more geocaches after. Again, make sure to check out our event video up here. And we'll see you after the event. We are done at the event. We are now gonna go geocaching. Let's go. Come, lady.
Every time when we go to Rotorua,
we're gonna go there.
Stop.
Remember this last time? Mince and cheese, mince and cheese. Well, that is the bakery, guys. Come here, it's on Karaka Street. It's delicious.
The man has bacon and egg, and the lady has the
mince and cheese, mince and cheese, mince and cheese.
All right, we are at
random ass businesses.
The cache is this way, 13 meters.
I was like, some reason be like this.
Oh, I think it is what the lady first pointed out, because she said like it looks like it's glued in, and look what happened. Do you see that, guys? It is. It is. Ta-ta!
Oh my god!
Nice. That's nice.
Yeah, I got it.
So the lady found it. The lady found it. Open it, lady. I can imagine though, like if it's business days.
That was good. That's getting a favorite point.
Yeah.
All right, guys, it's open. There's only a logbook in here, so we should put some swag in it.
I'm gonna get the bag from
the swag bag.
I'm gonna get the swag bag from the back.
Where's my bag, lady? Where's the bag, lady? In the boot.
Oh man.
This has 156 favorite points.
I know what I'm gonna put in it. Ta-ta.
All right, let's sign it.
Yes. Alright, a few muggles here, and it's 27 meters, so we have to be a little bit careful. It's a very pretty rose garden. Ta 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 ta. The Fenton Park suburb was by 14, 13, 12, 10.
There's 2 blocks there. Look
Hey.
at that, look at that, look at that.
Aha, yeah. Ha, yes it is. Good job, Lily. Alright, let's see if we can find this one. 10, 9, 8. Oh, Jukes. Found it? Maybe? A little bit too obvious, maybe? It is this one.
Yes, chicken, it's fine. We're just geocaching.
It would be funny if it's empty. Like, oh, was not the cat.
Hey. Nice.
Awesome. What's in the water then, Lily? What the heck?
I think it is a water duck.
We're heading that way. Come here, Lily. Come here, Lily. Come here, Lily. Come here, Lily. Come. Yeah, that's cold. It's coming for us. Lady's calling her sister. We're gonna have a meetup. Oh, there we go. Cool. Duck tours. Da 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 da. Duck tours.
You have a pebble in your shoe? Okay. I heard it fall out.
Oh,
I heard it. Come on, hurry up. Was it at that junction back here? Was that a junction of tracks, eh? The lady is sure that it was back here somewhere.
yeah, it's pointing this way.
This is cool. Oh, it's attached to the end of it. Look at that.
That's very
That's fun.
haha.
So we figured to get it out, there's a magnet on the end of the lid.
You can hear it going.
Come on, no pressure. Yes, there it comes.
Yay.
Awesome. Hey! Hey, last to find.
Haha.
And we earned our second memory lane souvenir.
Come me lady. Come me lady. Oh, Muggle's coming. Yay, Jamesy. Wrong exit. There they are, and the ladies on the toilet.
How's it going?
Hello. Someone is being a dumbass. Someone is being a dumbass. Find the dumbass. I don't know, Samantha. Come. Well, relief.
Much better.
That's where we just were, people.
Oh no, I'm
Peeking through the...
stuck in my pen.
Lady. Oh, lady. Well, keep them just in your pocket, Nimmy. Just take them out at the car. You don't need them now anyway.
My keys stuck in my pocket.
Green, blue, green. Blue, green.
We are here with family. Say hi, family. We met up with them. They went on a little trip to Taupo and they're going to stay here a night. But we're doing an earth cache here. All you have to do is answer a couple of questions about the green lake and the blue lake and log it, send it to the CO, and that's the earth cache. Coming!
Come up, yeah, to the warm car. Bye, duck.
Thank you, ducky.
Shall we meet again? Meow. Bye, duck. 56 meters to go. Come, lady. Oh, what a nice little track, lady. 30 meters. 20. Hey. Oh, another one. Rotting stumps often grow these close to the punga, which appears to balance the large log.
This one looks like it's holding up the whole thing.
Oh, lady found it after 10 minutes.
This is so good.
Lady found it.
So good. I can see it. Look at that.
Cool.
Look at that. Put it back again. Look at that. Look at that.
That's
Oh, it isn't a mushroom. It's one of those mushroom things, you know, that was growing on our cache.
Oh. Dun, dun.
So good. That was sweet.
Yeah, it was very nice.
Sweet.
That's definitely a favorite point for us.
Heck yeah.
All right, are we gonna do one more cache?
What's the time? 3:30. Yeah, see
Yeah,
where it is.
because it looks pretty much dark here, even though the camera doesn't show that, but it's pretty much dark here. We're gonna go to the lake soon, but we're first gonna have a look at the dinosaurs, because there's a reason why we were not going to the lake right there.
There's some fossils around here.
There's some fossils around here, and it's not your dad. That's cool. That's cool. That's awesome.
Behind you.
It's huge. Selfie time. Well, that was a DNF.
It was good for a shot, but that was about it. Couldn't find
Yeah.
it. Messaged a couple of people who found it the last 2 days.
Also, it's difficulty 1.5. Usually we have not that much trouble with 1.5.
We're gonna go get some petrol and go home and go to our favorite place on the planet.
Yeah, Mechas. Oh, you showed something, lady. Oh, message. That's quick.
It's a huge box covered with tiny wood pieces.
Darn. Okay, we're gonna have a quick look. Bye. Go, lady, go. Go, lady, go. Ta-da.
We found it! Someone messaged us and told us where it was and we looked right past it. Let's open it, log it and go home. That's good, at least we didn't end with a DNF. We're dragging the cop car down the main street of Rotorua.
Oh no, we're not gonna win.
Aww.
Please be patient if you have requested breakdown assistance, as high call volumes are resulting in longer than normal.
What's happening, lady?
We got a flat tire.
Yep.
please press 1.
We're like
Otherwise, remain on
30 minutes from home.
Yeah.
And we got a flat tire.
Oh, there we go. That is flat.
Hi there, we just need some roadside assistance.
The woman just got off the phone. We just called the AA, which is like the roadside help here.
We're gonna sit here and see how long it takes.
We jinxed it. About 5 to 10 minutes ago, I opened the window because I heard a little bit of a sound outside. And I was like, oh, that sounds like we have like a pebble in our tire.
You have a pebble in your shoe?
So I was like, okay, we're just gonna drive until we are at the safe spot, like a petrol station.
Yeah.
But we are in the middle of nowhere at the moment. But then, suddenly, we heard a loud bang, which was a big pebble, apparently, coming out of our tire. Because after that, no sound.
For like
nothing.
2 or 3 Ks.
I said to the lady, I said like, well, I hope our tire is not punctured. And then I was like, oh, the steering is not well.
And then we heard dud, 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 dud.
And look, it's busy. And big trucks. You see that?
that
You
was
see that? How
nasty.
fast that was? Look.
Oh, this is nasty. I don't feel good here.
Oh well, so we're just gonna wait.
We're gonna wait it out. It is 10 minutes past 8. Let's see how long this takes.
Yeah.
Okay, so we can't fix our tire. So we're gonna get towed all the way to Auckland. And with this truck, it's probably gonna be about a 40-minute drive. So, yay. Look at that, people.
That is so flat.
Sad. But we made it home, people.
Ba 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 ba.
It is 11:15. Our original arrival time was 8:20.
And tomorrow we'll inspect the tire. Bye.
Bye. Well, it's the next day now. We made it home. We hope you enjoyed it. We did until this happened. If you enjoyed this video, do make sure to hit the subscribe button. Also, if you want to get notified when we upload, hit the notification bell. Make sure to check out all the links in the description box down below. We're going to link everything you need to know. If you want to help us repair our flat tire, make sure to go check out the link to our merchandise down below. So yeah, we're going to leave it there. Thank you guys so much for watching. We'll see you in our next video. Bye.
Bye.
Should we fix our tire?
Yes.
It's cold, so let's make it quick. Much better.
Much better.
Bye.
Bye.